na minimisa watete ensem kakra a nenemu ye aban dwumadi ahodo a wodi efa ye contract ahodo a wono de ma sebe ya yakwan hu dwumadi no betumi akoso aban a wote so yi ehye bose odi bibia ye friend big push eba na sa big push no beboa ama yakwan so akwan ya enye ne no ma no manyina no yatumi atoto na yasiesie se be ya oman no betumi akonanim sanse akodiabe ehonsem ekonkan a eya na eboa oman mpuntu na saasem we bae na koya akwanso sem de Ghana fu nyina de ano so ifrudu se se de isi abodin kakraka yi eya de beboa e pa nti mampani kura akogina asimpie so wo mrahye bedwafie a na wo kasa efa eye Ghana baby a yegina ewo ne nsem ho no. In fact 2025 February or kasa efa the big push ho NDC fo nso eye won wani su ade hunu a wo de tu a wo de ka kire Ghana fo so wo mo ban so a obeye ama oman no atumpon nti dwumadie ni nyina mu no uhia se eba enwuma enoma a wo behia na wama no atumi abamu aban ni su ade hunu atumi abamu a eya na mpempi no ye de ma contract ananse efa procurement mu na procurement ena ehunsem wo Ghana ha no se aban ede sika eye bibi na ade no aban ni bi ebi aye penua aban ni nua entiese ye ko carpenter ni ho ne ye ko penua no de bedi dwuma a ye pese ye di diboa wo man no sa eno no echese o ko procure o koto minka ne sa literally every word yaba se bia wo hia wo bi no abedi dwuma bi na etumi aboa wo man no so a nipa ne beye ame atua ne ka eno nso eye procurement ya bi ye de mani pa no contract wo beye ma ye ne ntua wo kasa ni ye di ano ne age na ne ewum ni se sa kwan we so enam so mo man no ebo kapi se aban ye bibia ma wo man no na ode ebefa enyumakuo bi so wo meye so ombedi anu yie so omuni anu yie se sika no omudi kohyem no eni dwumadi ombedi no ekono ehone asem no enu nti public procurement authority wo ho se ebehwe se contract ya de manyina na ebefa mra kwan so na bibia ebeda ho kronyi ni atie ne se wo meye the contract ma ye wo mu ahodo bebre but emu mako beye miensa bi atadi mu ntintiman pa de friend competitive bidding na edu no de no ene se ye de adwuma na ebema ebi aye pe wo mu a ebe ya kwan wo man mu edie wonwuma ko pia wo ye kwan ti ebema kwan ama wo bia wo ye contractor wo nso ye kwan no ye de tudwa na won so waba de wo no ma ba kire se wo betumi aya ye doso mu ani ehwe na bia mu nyina akura betumi aye na afi ya hwe ebo no se bo a ye de gye no ebeboa wo man no ana ye ni nyina se be ya ebe ye transparent emu beda ho afi ebe ye pepe fairness be ye adwuma esanso ye competitive chese ya tam de manipa ba ko bi wo Akokoa mu nemum abaye so obi a be pre nemum de odi mu no obetumi aye ene ye de ama no na chese aye pepe esanso ma ye value for money chese ye nkoto sika nwu keke it is a wo hwe sa contract sa type we competitive bidding no a eye de nka omanfo na ni gi hu yie pa se etimi bua wo man mo man tumpon na sa wensu na akoye politicians wo mo atamfo edu ba bia se ebe biem amana da ho no na akoye dene but meba so ye wo de friend restrictive tendering enu no ne say e wo se ebiem obi atimi ba bidie na emom ye biem enso ye miemu so obi atimi ba ebi ya biem se nipa mienu miensa bi enan nyumakuo mienu miensa enan bi emra ni ya hwehwem ni yi sa nyumakuo miensa enan no na ye yi ba ko afiri mu a ono de de contract ne be ma no ntia no de e restrictive ya restricting number no ye miemu entumu so obi anya bi. The next one say sole sourcing. Now before say meko sole sourcing so no sa restrictive tender am ka ho asem say ya chechire no ye nhye da miem so obi amra bi no ne ya na etie ne say ebi ane ye won krofo bi a wo mu ye be mienu miensan nan bi wo kurom ho a wo mu na sebe ye pe roba wo mu ne ton roba no nti wo ye dan ya say nipa nan no na abefre wo mu ana adwumakuo nan no a tie ba sa no aye restricted e wo sa kwan no so ena edu ba bi nso a ejina technical capacity said ye omunim die sitie ebi ahwehwe mu a wo munim die wo soro pom betumi aye ne bi ye mu nan etu nko ha ho wo san kwasefo ho nes wa restrict wo around omo a omo ye expect na ya gi omo atum so omutumi ye no etu betumi ye issue restrictive tendering no e de aye ene ye wo sole sourcing no a yes kind of single sourcing no na ne ye wo we mu ne say aban no ankasa hwese oh adwumakuo wei enamde ma no onto na ni hwe ba bia biem ene wo makwan so obia so mra mapribi etie bia mango hwan limited ono nko anu aboni din bejere no abegeko no okoye contract no nti bia obi nso betumi aye de nka mango hwan limited ne betumi aye no ba ye mfre no wei ya ne abo etirim pese ye de ma no ono an ye de ma no na ade ba ko a emra no ema akwan se yetumi yusu saa ne se ebi ane ehia adwuma bi ntentem ne oben ho no eye ebia saa mango limited na amaka ho asem no edia pani ntemti ye haye ho se ye kwa akiri akɔhwɛ mu saa de obi fraba ne afa no saa ntem ewo ho tie ye emergency a yetimi di saa adwuma no eto da bi nso a ebia ye kan nipa ba ko pebi na wa specialize wo saa de no obi antumi nya bi ewo man ni mu saa nipa no yetimi frɛ no de contract na ma no enu nti na sole sourcing ne wo ho entia mra sole sourcing enya de etia Ghana mra ba bia in terms of procurement but sole sourcing so eye contract no type ni bia edi wo man na wu emfinhia bebre sole sourcing edi wo man na wu emfinhia bebre nti ye body pe na Ghana ni ye mu ahye no because ye body di ma no ye hu se ye body a ye de ma ye nuanom ye body a ye de ma ye yankase ya manyofo ye body a ne ahye da hwe kru nua ni mu amane mo ye miem ne atam sika ne ye de amakwabra ne bi kura sa nipa na ye de ma no adwuma no kura wontimi nye eti so se na be ye bonsam a yes ye tidin a ne ye se eye de ba se de ye si yusu no man mu no emwa yen na de en na asie de en na asie nti a ye ka ho asemi for first state eye eku a wono mu ye nhwehwemu e de fa aban edwumadie ne no ma ho na wo mu de abetu dwa say big push na aban eye no contract odi ama nyina no emu fa dodo no a eye sole sourcing kire say wo hwe adwumakuo ba ko anim no de contract na ma no ye miem e ma foforo pii no ambepre of 107 contract ye de ama emu 81 for first kire say eye sole source na ya miem am obi amapribi na o kire say sika eka ewom nko ano over 70 billion this is kind so pa emu hwehwemu no babeto odwa e ba abonten no minister of roads eye governs Agbodza abekasa na okasa o parliament no o kirem no o kire say big push no die ntia wodi bi ma so source ne say one time constraints just say ebre etia no two contract ni bi wo ho a odi ma so source na yedi kan aye ho adwuma dada aban dada no apensumpu a wo modi ama contract na wie through competitive tendering de ye bie mo ma obi abepribi no mo hwehwe mu de ma nipa ba ko bi nti sa waba no wo se be ye de a sa nipa do wo ye na no wasa boni din ama na to aso eti sa no waye no okan sa no ene wo kire se 44% of road contracts na wo de ama ni nyina no in fact I describe old push and a new push, big push, old big push and a new big push. Or say old big push no eya kwan by that no eja ne wa or twaso. New big push no eya kwan fofra wo mu no aya wo mu ye. Na okan sa asem we no say 44% eye so sourcing de yahwe obi anim e de ama wo no nko a na adwumakuo ba ko bi a ye de ama wo no nko a ye se ebo man ne ka no. Now 400 of these contracts there or any competitive tendering. Now na semwa o kan say contract ni bi wo ha de enti o de ma so sourcing ne say aban dada no apenso no. Omu ye competitive tendering. Che so mbie mu bia be pre no de ma nipa ba ko. Enti no no sisa na enye enti no de ma say adwumakuo na wo wini sa abre no. Eno no na Media Foundation Executive Director Sulemana Brahma Jeff Fato Sumame or say 107 contracts analyzed by Fourth Estate were all signed by Kwame Agbodza. She say the Agbodza ebe defended say contract ni bi wo ha wo ma ban dada no apenso no mo ye true competitive yinti ekoba ne sanes wo ye ne so source because o manya dada no o kire say sa contract ni nyina Jeff, that one is a flyer. Sa contract ni nyina no Agbodza signature ene woso. Any 107 contracts analyzed by Fourth Estate were all signed by Agbodza. Enti de no nka say o ebi wo ho mu 23 kra de na ewo ho dada enu mu kra na ebi wo ho no mu a na yatwa bi mu sika dada ne sa na o mani nyina no. O say 107 ni nyina no signed by Kwame Agbodza. Ebia ni ho no mu a old ones bia ebia behim. Na the matter of concern here say abai we otiswe kan sempi fa so sourcing na mpesa wo ba Facebook. This was His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on so sourcing a car boyen wo memu any de ntia wo no pese so sourcing kura obenya na nki atwam nanso said ye hu dwumadi esiti ntinke betumi ayire mu prene kura yen hyedam fa nya adwuma bebre.
Big push program. Today's sword cutting is the first, but we're going to cut sword in 5 different areas to mark the start of the whole big push program. And so today, the people of Afenya, Dawenya, Dodowa, you are making history by being first to kick off the whole big push program. We've gone through a very rigorous procedure to choose the contractors who will work on the big push projects. And that is because we believe that quality and speed is important. And so we've gone through all the contractors. We've looked at their capacity. Does he have an asphalt plant? How many asphalt plants does he have? Does he have enough dump trucks to be able to move the gravel? Does he have enough graders to spread it? Does he have enough rollers to compact the road? The quality of the road depends on compaction. If you compact it well and you put the bitumen on it, the road will last forever. But in some cases, contractors are in a hurry, so they just compact performance and ingenuity of the Ghanaian contractor. And so several of our contractors have the same capacity as any foreign contractor. Projects under the big push are one-to-one. I said, my friend, this is not for wheelbarrow contractors.
And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, kasafa big push no hono. Or just a contractors ni nyina no. Idea say there were so many all can watch and say there are so many contractors are. Oma hwehwem omu edi hu dwuma ehu se omu ebetumi aye. Enti mimi sa video we a mehwe di nti a meboy ne se bra mehwe no I thought say the soul sourcing no enye dodo said ye be hunu no ende ye hunu no nti a meka no me explain ya kire ye be calculations bi wa ha na me hunu senka sa percentage na Agbodza ebo no 44% no kranki nya because His Excellency says say omu hwehwe mu bebrebe hwe kari obia na ahwe ye kari obia na ahwe ntinya se ye kohwe kunu ni anim wo so source mu na ze we bede dabi. But this is what happened. Na Okojo black wa kan sembi o se omu NDC die that so source no omu bu ni chie me wi me the Mahama statement bi o kan at the sona enso be chiro
manifesto ni say the reset Ghana manifesto ni say Yebe amending the Public Procurement Act. Say single source yebe chaso. Because it's been abused.
Sorry, you're on record.
Oh yes. Yebe chaso. The only window will be emergencies. That's all. All the other limitations, no, we are going to end it. It's here. Because the abuse, we can't take it any longer. Inte the year promising in our manifesto, the Reset Ghana manifesto, Yebe amending the Public Procurement Act. Say single source yebe chaso. Because it's been abused.
Sorry, you're on record.
Oh yes. Yebe chaso. The only window will be emergencies. That's all. All the other limitations, no, we are going to end it. It's
Okujoto Ablakwa any Foreign Affairs Minister then in opposition ye ba so source nya de se ye be ye kra nya ya ye betwam ye manifesto ewum na je fa manifesto ne to so ba me. And when you look into the NDC manifesto omo kire se ase omo ni nyi so source ne ho enforce 3 no or say enforce compliance with the public procurement law to stop the abuse of sole sourcing and other breaches. They were aware say you abuse sole sourcing. No? They were aware there's a problem with sole sourcing approach. No? And they were not happy to actually praise it. But almost some kind say, "Womba stop it, the abuse of it and the breaches." Medical state say NDC contract they haven't breached any law, procurement law biya. Because mature 3 types of procurement types no between aye which so sourcing can hunti entiamra so be so sourcing, but they are the same people who could to black can say they don't like it komunya krom betwam na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enso kai State of the Nation address and check kra February year 2026 year or say we will ban sole sourcing. We will ban sole sourcing. We will ban sole sourcing. Jeff Fatusumami, we will ban sole sourcing. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eneka. So na ya enche, we will ban sole sourcing. Sa ukwa edi muna uridia. Nye okaye ne say, Mr. Speaker, sole sourcing na abeye wahawa momenya yeboka bribia. Enti ye de mrakura ba parliament se be ya mo babuaye ne ya pass na sa so source no ye tam contract ade de amani pa ba akokra no ye betumi kura nka ye be bane ana say exceptional cases be bia ko se ehun ko nya pa yi wo den aye ne sa ne so utumi se mampani John Dramani Mahama ne nyi so source no ho se ye be tam contract ye de amani pa ba ko enti ene ede na asie ede na asie big push contracts, you know. You are governance Agbodza see me. You cannot tell me say 44% of road contracts are too low to celebrate. Say contracts now one money fair and vindicating from the Muka in opposition. That is wrong. 44%. Sabi Akokoa yeninima. And idea which no sabi unni se udi mpedru fa. This is almost half, nearly half of the contracts in fact, okay, so with the 400 contracts and a mine in competitive bidding. Jeff Fatus Mami. 400 contracts Agbodza Dieno. Or say 400 contracts was given through competitive bidding. Not just a contract where 400 they would be it is a and no yes statistic calculation in there. Not just a 44%, no. About 314. Because 56% a 400 there. Not just a 44%, about 314. Then we are having a total of 714 contracts being given out. Now a 314. A so sourcing something that you say umpe in opposition. Almost half of those contracts are so sourcing. Then you are there telling me say you are right to do that. You are there telling me say so sourcing now was see in opposition. Mahama can recently crash what in Mreko Parliament Amia ya renegate me ban except in exceptional cases no. na okujoto abla kwakura say mo manifesto mu kura ewo mu a ye kenkan the manifesto also saying say so source in ye abusing into mo nhyɛ da kura nye interested in that no. And then what me ama 44% in sole sourcing and you are happy telling us say I gave only 44%. Who the only ashamu? Something that you think is bad. 44% is good for you. 44% of a bad thing is good for you. Almost 50% too. Aka 6 na 50% achemu fa. And you good for you Agbodza. Aden yen kanokure wo man musa. Aden yen kanokure wo man musa. Almost 50% of the contract, almost half, and you're so sourcing. And you call that say a good justification. And is that what you want to say? Young Shaka so sourcing in the past. And the deputy minister, deputy finance minister, recently, Okanhuasem said, so sourcing no aboyeka. About 2 billion Ghana cedis. Afibia a boyaka in that margin. 2 billion Ghana cedis a boyaka afibia. A deputy finance minister. We dasono. October 1, 2025. Government moves to cap 2.36 billion annual losses in procurement. Deputy Finance Minister Okwa Header, it talks about say you lose a lot through sole sourcing. No? And then you are defending someone 44% of sole sourcing to yemo yense ma. Why are there? Even if the NPP emanente or 100%, you getting to almost half of it. And you're wrong if you don't know. Can you expect to be at 10% to be? Ye can be a 15% to be, and the anya rekrano be a now 44%, almost 50%, and you are celebrating. So why are you use so sourcing? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? When you who on someone in opposition, and the vindicating contract type ye first way you timid ball my chrono man penicra can wasem. A ball may can. What could used to be almost half of your contracts, and you are happy. Say your money and say, "Mom, shame on you." You insist on amunya no maye. You insist on amunya no maye because when to me a country says so source and then yet abandoned an person more machi. We know what you guys said in opposition. Now what you mean? You see almost 50% of it, 44%. It's almost 50%. No? Shame.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5.
And then you hear people say, an emergency and a special one and a day. What is special about the contracts in this country? And you know, through it all, no, as a yet so sourcing. Mommy, are you serious? Ebusia meba na afi yedi nkomaka.
And now, who you want?